When it comes to storing collection of data in Python, we have 4 built-in data types that is used to store collection of data: list, tuple, set and dictionaries. Today we will learn about list and ways to implement it. Let's see the definition of Python list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are created using square brackets. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. Let's understand how to implement lists in Python. I am creating a list of names of my friends. List items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. You can get the length or size of the list using len keyword followed by list name in parentheses. A list can have any data type. It can be strings, integers, and Boolean values. If you check the type, you will get type as list for all the list with different data types. It is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. Let's learn indexing in Python list in details. Indexing means accessing an element from a sequence using its position number. Python uses zero-based indexing. First element is at index 0, second element is 1, and so on. Python also supports negative indexing where -1 is the last element, -2 is the second last element, and so on. Let's understand through coding demonstration. Index 1 means second element, which is Mohan in this case. Index -1 means Soham, which is the last element. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new list. Like in this case, it returned a list with index to 24 because always the stop index is excluded. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. In this case, a new list will be returned from index 0 to index 2, because always the stop index is excluded. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. In this example, it will return a list from index 1 till the last element in the list. Similarly, you can specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. Always remember, whenever you specify the stop index, the stop index is excluded. So, here in this example it will return list with values from index -4 to index -2. Let's learn some of the methods in Python. First, insert method. Insert method is used to insert any new value in an existing lists at any particular index. Like here we are inserting Amit at index 3. Inserting Kunal at index 1. Next method we have is append, which always adds value to the end of the list. Next method we have is to concatenate two lists into one using extend. Next method we have is remove, used to remove any particular element from the list. Next method we have is pop, which pop outs the last element from the list. Within the brackets you can specify how many elements you want to pop out. After removing Rohan and popping out one last element, which is Soham, we only have Mohan in our list left. Next method we have is clear, which clears all the element from the list. After clearing, the list will become empty. Next, let's see how to apply for loop in Python list. Similarly, we can apply while loop in Python list. There are other methods as well, like sort, which can be used to sort the integer list in ascending order. String lists can also be sorted, where elements will get sorted based on alphabets. Next method we have is reverse, which returns list in reverse order. Using copy method you can create copy of any list. There are two other ways as well to make copy of any list. That's all for this video. The knowledge shared in this video will be in great use when you will solve problems. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Do share your views in the comment. Thanks for watching again. Bye.